Guys, we got iPhone 15 Pro Max natural titanium color, and this is from Flipkart. We already did a open box delivery because it's compulsory, and you guys must have seen the shots. So yeah, I got the phone. It's been here, and we upgraded from 15 Pro, 14 Pro Max. Sorry, and you can see they did this update. So this is first time I'm seeing they are putting a Flipkart seal again. So maybe they opened it to check that there's the phone before giving it. Okay, so yeah, this is a new thing that they are doing, and I hope you cannot see the IME number, but yeah, the phone is inside. Sorry, I'm using only one hand. So thanks to Exynos, they offered me this phone. Like, I have to give the bill, and they offered me around $1,500. So thanks a lot again, Exynos. You have given me so many things that I can remember. I cannot even remember how many things, but yeah, I got the original titanium, natural titanium. Okay, and it looks beautiful. It looks a bit like gray color, and really it's a bit lighter than my 14 Pro Max. I have been using my 14 Pro Max for like 1 year. I also got that 14 Pro Max from Exynos. Like, it was not kind of a gift. I have to work for it. It's not like exactly gift, and it's a braided cable this time, which is good. And also it will be having a USB Type C. This phone cost me, after Flipkart offer of HDFC card, I got it around 1,46,000, and this is the 256 variant. And I'm still not opening it because I want to open it and do the setup on my own. And the screen is completely same like my 14 Pro Max. It has a dynamic island. So I've been using my 14 Pro Max, but I didn't use it that much. This time I hope I use this phone more, because I don't get the time. I do a lot of trading all the time. I'm busy, and I know my sound quality will not be that good because I'm recording more from my camera. Okay, but yeah, everything is there. So thanks a lot again, Exynos, for again offering me to buy iPhone. I just have to give them the bill. They will give me the claim. And this time again, I got only the braided cable. I already have the charger for this from my 14 Pro Max, so I will just charge it and see. Right now I think it has around 80% charge. And yeah, Flipkart was great experience. I ordered it on 24th, and today is like 26th or something. I ordered it on Holy Day, when it was holy. So yeah, thanks a lot again, Exynos. And if you want to trade with me, you can just see the description. So thanks. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a